take me camping,
take me camping,
and I'll leave all my worries behind. Take me camping,
take me camping,
put some peace back in my mind. Nah, I don't need much, just wanna get in touch with that big old world outside. So take me camping,
take me camping.
Ah, you never know what you might find. Well, I had a tent, but my tent got bent. Now my feet keep hanging out. Had a fishing pole, but it broke 'cause it's old now. I don't got a way to catch trout. But all I really need's some fresh air to breathe, and I'll tell you from my heart, yeah, the world's big, however, we're all tied together 'cause we're sleeping under the same stars. So take me camping,
take me camping,
'cause those tall trees are calling my name. Take me camping,
take me camping,
when this world gets a little insane. No, and I don't mind if the sun don't shine or if the sky starts to pour in rain. Just take me camping,
take me camping,
watch my heart start to sing again. Let's set up the camp where the ground's not damp, maybe out where the buffalo roam, where the stars are bright and the bugs don't bite. But heck, I'd even go camping at home. So it seems to me, and I know you all agree, that the only thing a heart desires is some dirty jeans and a can of beans and a song around the old campfire. So take me camping,
take me camping,
watch your brother get poison oak. Take me camping,
take me camping,
I really wish my dad would learn some new jokes. Nah, and I don't care if there's nothing there to eat but sauerkraut. Just take me camping,
take me camping,
and we'll remember what it's all about.
take me camping, take me camping, take me camping, take me camping.
I said we all may be apart, but we're sleeping under the same star.